after you've used See and Spray technology in the field, it's a really good practice to go back after the fact, look at those application maps, see if there's anything you can change, anything that you can learn from that application, whether that be in the app or on the website. I really like to use this website comparison so you can compare weed pressure to the application rate side by side. And in this particular example, we went back to the grower and were asking some questions and trying to figure out what happened in this field and why we were seeing such distinct application differences. And this just shows the power of See and Spray technology and what you get from that data. So on the west side of the field, on the left map, we're seeing weed pressure. The right is seeing applied rate. That dark green area in that weed pressure map is where there was fall tillage done the previous year, so we had very light weed pressure. And as you can see on the right, See and Spray, the sprayer was kicking on and off only when it was sensing that weed pressure. But the east side of the field, more than half of it, we were seeing a fair amount of weed pressure in the field, mainly due to a lot of untimely rains in the spring, and we're able to get on that field for a post application as soon as we would have liked to. So we were seeing heavier pressure, as you can see reflected in the application map, where See and Spray technology was not being used as efficiently as possible because it was sensing that weed pressure. So the boom itself was staying on. And in that case, where you see that boom staying on and it's spraying fairly consistently across the majority of the field, this is a situation where we would recommend actually turning the See and Spray technology off, because you're going to be better in the long run keeping that sprayer running and broadcasting across that field as heavy as the weed pressure was. But again, always make sure you go back, look at these side-by-side comparisons. Very nice drop down here. You can see a lot of different information. We can look at applied rate, target rate, tank mix, equipment,